Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0616 indicates an issue with the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit in the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This error message is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the voltage level on the starter cut relay diagnosis line is below a specified threshold while the starter is in the off position. The PCM is critical in regulating engine operations by processing various inputs and controlling output functions. If the input voltage to this circuit is insufficient, it signifies a malfunction either in the relay itself, the associated wiring, or potentially within the PCM. The starter cut relay, located within the relay circuit board, is responsible for controlling the flow of electrical current necessary for the starter motor operation. A malfunction in this circuit not only affects starting, but could lead to additional electrical issues within the vehicle's systems, making timely troubleshooting crucial. The error code P0616 specifically targets the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit within the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This circuit plays an essential role by ensuring that the starter motor only operates when commanded to do so. The starter cut relay is located within the relay circuit board, positioned typically under the dashboard or in the engine compartment, depending on the specific configuration of the vehicle. The PCM continuously monitors the voltage levels on this line to confirm whether the starter relay is functioning correctly. If it detects a low voltage condition when the starter is supposed to be off, it identifies this as an abnormal operation, hence storing the DTC. Understanding the location and function of the starter cut relay and the components involved is vital for effective troubleshooting and repair. Several possible causes could lead to the P0616 error code in your Honda CR-V. First, a faulty relay circuit board could be the culprit, which suggests that the relay responsible for controlling the starter is malfunctioning or has suffered physical damage. Second, a shorted external circuit may lead to unexpected voltage drops, impacting the relay's operation. This situation calls for a thorough wiring inspection. Third, if the previous components test normally, issues within the PCM itself could be suspected. The PCM is responsible for interpreting signals from various sensors, and a malfunction at this stage can mislead diagnostics and vehicle performance. Each of these potential causes warrants close inspection to accurately diagnose and rectify the issue at hand. When the P0616 code is present, you may experience several symptoms indicative of the underlying issue. The most prominent symptom is that the starter motor may not engage when attempting to start the vehicle. This can result in the engine failing to start altogether, leaving the driver stranded or incapable of using the vehicle. Additionally, dashboard warning lights may illuminate, signaling to the driver that there is an electrical fault within the system. These symptoms not only hinder vehicle functionality, but can also lead to further complications if left unaddressed. Monitoring these signs is crucial to diagnosing the issue associated with the DTC promptly. Your first step in troubleshooting the P0616 error code involves interacting with the vehicle's onboard diagnostics system, often referred to as the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System. Begin this process by switching the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Then, check the HDS value for the starter cut relay. If this value is less than 2.2 volts, it duplicates the failure of the circuit, confirming that the voltage is indeed below the required threshold. This step is critical in understanding the current state of the relay and the voltage issue, which provides a clear direction for subsequent troubleshooting actions. Documenting this reading is beneficial for comparison with future tests. After identifying that a low voltage condition exists within the starter cut relay diagnosis line, The next step is to perform a relay circuit board test. This involves testing the specific starter cut relay 2 circuit found within the relay circuit board. Following the manual inspection procedures, you'll analyze the circuitry and connections that could be contributing to the failure. Ensure that the relay is functioning correctly and that all connections are secure and intact. Any anomalies found during this inspection must be addressed promptly, as they can significantly influence the performance of the starter system overall. This step is vital to isolate the fault to either the relay or external components. During this troubleshooting phase, focus on examining the wiring associated with the ST RLY 1 to 2 circuit. Begin by checking for shorts to ground that might be causing the low voltage condition. Such shorts could arise from frayed wires, poor connections, or damaged insulation, all of which may contribute to electrical malfunctions within the vehicle. Disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical hazard during this inspection, and thoroughly examine the wiring continuity. It may also be necessary to refer to the open, shorted wire inspection description for additional guidance on how to conduct this phase effectively. Proper wiring is essential for the reliable operation of the starter relay and its circuits. If the previous inspections of the relay circuit board and wiring show normal outcomes, the final step is to inspect the powertrain control module, PCM, for any faults. The PCM is the brain of the vehicle's electrical systems and controls various functions based on input signals from different sensors. Ensure that there are no evident signs of damage or corrosion on the PCM connectors and terminals. This step is crucial, as a malfunctioning PCM may falsely trigger error codes or fail to execute necessary commands for starting the engine. If everything else checks out clean, but the vehicle still exhibits issues, then the PCM might be faulty and require replacement. Understanding the integrity of the PCM aids in ensuring that you identify the root cause of the malfunction accurately. After completing the necessary repairs related to the P0616 error code, it is essential to verify the effectiveness of the troubleshooting process. Start by testing the entire starting system to ensure proper functioning of the starter cut relay and associated components. The engine should crank normally without any delay, and you should also check for any illumination of warning lights on the dashboard during this phase. Additionally, use the HDS to check for any stored DTC codes post-repair to confirm that P0616 has been successfully cleared from the system. This verification step ensures that the issue has been resolved comprehensively and that the vehicle is safe and reliable for further use. To prevent future occurrences of a P0616 error code, and to ensure the reliability of the electrical system in the Honda CR-V, regular maintenance is crucial. Schedule periodic checks of the vehicle's electrical components, including the starter cut relay circuit and associated wiring. Ensure that all connectors are secure and free from corrosion, as poor connections can lead to intermittent faults that affect vehicle performance. Additionally, inspect the relay circuit board for any signs of wear or damage. By maintaining optimal conditions within your vehicle's electrical system, you can extend the life of the components and avoid potential breakdowns associated with electrical issues. This proactive approach enhances the overall safety and reliability of your driving experience. In conclusion, the P0616 error code in the Honda CR-V 2023 Plus models highlights a critical fault in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit. A comprehensive understanding of the starter cut relay, its functions, and its location is vital for accurately diagnosing the issue. Carefully following each diagnostic step allows you to pinpoint the problem efficiently, whether it lies within the relay, wiring, or the PCM itself. Symptoms such as engine cranking issues and warning lights serve as essential indicators during this process. Finally, by incorporating preventive maintenance practices, you can safeguard against similar errors in the future and ensure the smooth operation of your vehicle's electrical system. Effective troubleshooting not only resolves immediate concerns, but fosters long-term reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.